In this video, I will tell you about the type 2 diabetes. If you are diabetic, then we can talk about type 2 diabetes. So, I will tell you about the causes and the symptoms of diabetes. Type 2 diabetes results from a combination of genetic and environmental factors, and it is often associated with lifestyle choices. The primary causes include insulin resistance. The body cells become resistant to its action of insulin, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Number 1 is genetic factors. A family history of diabetes increasing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Number 2 is the obesity. Excessive body weight, especially abdominal fat, is significantly a risk factor. Number 3 is physical inactivity. Lack of regular physical activity contribute to insulin resistance and obesity. Number 4 is age. The risk increase with age, particularly after 45.